Hi, welcome to my channel. We will talk about project management. Everyone has a project to achieve. It could be a family function, some classes we are interested in, opening a restaurant, or just be better at my job. We want to deliver projects on time, under budget, and stress-free. In the next few minutes, I'll give you a practical project management framework you can start using today. This channel is completely educational and informational. We will do them in English and Spanish. Subscribe for weekly bite-sized lessons. Help to get to more users with the like button. What you'll learn, overview, today. A 4-step framework. Define, plan, execute, close. With 2 quick templates you can use immediately. Who is a project manager? Well, it's the responsible of planning, leading, organizing, and completing projects successfully. What is the project? A project, it's just a temporary effort that focuses in a goal. A program is a set of projects. A group of programs makes a portfolio. We are just going to focus in the project, how to handle it, and how to be a successful project manager. What does the project manager need to become successful and accomplishes his goals? The main tools are the following: excellent time management, be able to prioritize, be able to communicate well, and check frequently the milestones. Please, remember the project has a clear result, start date and due date. Define, clarify the problem, success criteria, scope and key stakeholders. Use a 1-page project brief, objective, deliverables, timeline, metrics. Tip: ask stakeholders 3 questions. What are the problems to solve? How do success could be measured? What's out of scope? We will take about the scope and out of scope on another video. Before we continue, the main focus on, it's the client. Please understand and be clear with their expectations. This is clue. Client could be team members, stakeholders, directors, those are internal clients. And the external, which are clients, suppliers, vendors, etc. Plan. Let's build the right team, because that will be the major tool for the project. They must have the right skills to perform the tasks. What we have so far. The client and the team. That's the gold value. Create a work breakdown structure, WBS, estimate tasks, assign owners, and map a timeline. Assign each person from the team to have their specific tasks. Keep the communication up. If they are good at what they do, let them also create and see if that helps with the result. Remember, you have the whole picture. In other video we'll talk more about handling the team. Keep planning iterative. Build a 2-week sprint or milestone-based plan. Document top 5 risks and mitigation actions. Now, how are we gonna do it? Well, I will give you 2 different methodologies. The Waterfall method and the Agile method. There are more structural methods, but I will talk about those in another video. The Waterfall is a linear, sequential approach where the project is divided into distinct phases, like requirements, design, implementation, testing, development and maintenance. It's like building a car. You cannot start painting it without putting the doors. The Agile method, an iterative, incremental approach to project delivery where work is done in short cycles, sprints, and requirements evolve based on feedback. You can choose the one that fits you more. The project has a life cycle. These are initiation, planning, executing and completing tasks, and closing the project. Remember that everyone needs to be on the same page. Transparency is a key. Create a budget, set schedule, establish each team member and their roles, and have backup plans if something goes wrong. Please, have ways to measure the tasks and milestones. Also make sure those are attainables. I will make another video about the SMART method and OKRs. Have a clear vision of the scope, costs and time. Those three elements help you to have a better understanding of the project. Adjustments. Execute. Daily or weekly check-ins, a single source of truth, Trello, Asana, Notion, and a 3-line status report. Progress, blockers, next steps. Use milestone reviews to realign. Close. Handoff deliverables, gather customer sign-off, run a short lessons learned session, and capture metrics, time versus plan, budget variance, quality indicators. A very important thing to do. It's retrospective with the team members and stakeholders. Project is launched. This is the final deliverable, straight to the client. The client review the final product and hope to get the thumbs up. The success criteria tells you if the project was successful or not. Common mistakes: unclear scope, poor stakeholder alignment, and ignoring risks. Avoid them by agreeing success metrics early, scheduling stakeholder demos, and tracking top risks every week. Example: a website redesign. Define. Increase conversions by 15% in 3 months. Plan. WBS includes UX, content, dev, QA. Execute. 2-week sprints with demos. Close. Measure conversion lift and document insights. Some projects fail, and here is why. No making the right questions at the beginning of the project. Not enough documentation, no realistic expectations, no commitment, no sources, overwork loads, no having the right team. There is a lot more of information about project management. I will cover this topic with other videos. This is just a quick view that might be helpful to have a better understanding. Hope you like the video. Check the playlist for beginner to intermediate PM workflows and watch the Spanish version next. See you in the next video.